بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I will present a demo for a project for COE424 Introduction to Smart Cards and RFID Technology course. Me and Ali Al-Shakhs and Khalid Noor works on this project. Our project idea is to rent a machine for a specific period of time. We will use NFC technology to save the allowable data, the allowable time to operate a machine, and to allow the machine to operate or force it to stop. Here is the Arduino code. Before talking about the code, I will show you the result. The reader should read the tag, accept it or refuse it. Then it should, if it is accepted, it should read the data and deduct from it, operate the machine and deduct from the data, then write to the tag again periodically. For example, every 1 minute. For the sake of the demo, I make it every 7 seconds. Now I will put the wrong tag to the reader. So the red LED is on. I will show you the serial monitor. Now I will put the right. So the motor is on. Let's read 4 and change it to 3 from block 8. Change it to 2 now. If I remove the RFID card, it will complete the 7 seconds, then it will stop. So let me put it again. Let's read 2 and it make it 1, as you can see in the serial monitor. It makes it 0 now, and it is the last period. And that's it. If we see the code, first I initialize the LED and buzzer and motor for the project. Now this function is helper routine to write the byte arrays in the block for the sector we use it. This is serial begin. I put the LED to be output and the motor and the buzzer as well. Here it will check the card if there is a card or not attached to the reader. It will have a delay for 2 seconds, then it will check again before making the motor is low, because sometimes there is an error in the reader, so I make it check it twice and made a delay to 2 seconds. Now it will select the card if it is there. It prepares the key for the cards and it shows the UID for the card in the serial monitor. I put a boolean called card is not empty. Here I put the sector 2 and block address 8 to read it. So authenticate the key using key A, read the block, then authenticate using key B, then it will dedicate from data block 15, which we use it to write the data in the card. It will make it -1, and it will make card is not empty is true. Otherwise, if data block is equal to 0, it will make the card is not empty is false. Now it will write it to the data, the new values. Here is the ID for the card. If it is matches the ID we put it, if the card is matched this ID, and if it is not empty, then the motor will be on, the LED will be on, and the buzzer will produce a sound. Then it will delay for 7 seconds before reading the card again. Otherwise, it will turn off the motor and the red LED will be on. Now, to check the data in the block, if what we have written is wrong or not, then stop encryption.